Okay, so we're going flying this morning. Taos Regional Airport. Gonna get the hangar door open. Let's check the oil. There's the Sportsman. Let's have a look at the oil. Six quarts, looks good. It's an IO 390, 210 horsepower. Okay. I'm going to see the light of day. Seatbelt on. This is my flight. Let's clear the last flight plan. Clear. We are at Taos Regional Airport. Add to route. Okay, let's get cranked up. Master. Fuel boost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Throttle to a quarter. Everything off. Master on. Clear prop. Avionics on. Autopilot on. Headset. Putting up the RPM. Fuel on board is 40. A little bit about 36. Yes. Map. This is our autopilot. It's a crew track. It's an advanced 5600. Garmin 750. Controllable pitch top. Circuit breakers look good. Let's get the weather. Okay, let's grab the checklist. Control surfaces, looking good. Altimeter, got that at 30.09. Radio transponders on VSR. Autopilot, yep, autopilot. Lights, don't need any video heat, just pretty warm. Trim's good. Let's bring that back to neutral. Throttle now up to 1800. Okay, flaps at half, everything looks good. automatic deploy. Load and activate. Autopilot. Engage the autopilot. Bring on the nav. We're going to come around and use the noise at 9800. Okay, we're back on the ground.